Ready to unlock seamless communication with your US clients, taking your customer engagement to the next level? First, you'll need a US phone number directly from Twilio. Log into your Twilio account, navigate to the phone numbers section, and purchase a number with the US country code. Now, SMS marketing to US clients requires understanding TCPA regulations. Always obtain explicit consent before sending promotional SMS messages, and clearly provide opt-out instructions in every message. Next, leverage Twilio's robust API to personalize client interactions. Integrate the API into your existing systems to automate sending appointment reminders, order updates, and personalized greetings. Then, use the Programmable Voice feature to make and receive calls directly within your application. Customize caller ID and utilize call recording for quality assurance and training purposes. Don't forget Twilio Flex for building customized contact centers. Integrate chat, SMS, and voice into a single platform, empowering your agents to provide top-notch, omnichannel support to your US clients. By using these methods, you will be able to effectively communicate with your clients using Twilio.